Here's a cold start for you. Pop the hood for me. Go back here so you can hear it now that it's idled down. Basically just hear the turbo spooling.